Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate kickoff sequence.
What? Kickoff sequence initiated. R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You never can fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transport hold for security clearance.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Dear.
This is supposed to be what we're looking for. Blast up.
What's up, R2? I don't like the look of this.
Star Tours, what are you doing here? Don't stay low. Why? Use their tracking. Shields up. They work.
The transmission.
This is Poe Dameron with the Resistance.
Commander Dameron.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it won't be
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
the spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck, and you know the rest.
That sounds rather perilous to me. I don't think we should. Arthur, are you sure these are the right coordinates?
Execute them.
In this instant! Arthur, where are you going?
All right, we'll take it from here.
Well done, Arthur. Now let's go!
SD-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and
That's my ship. Got a lot of explaining to do.
Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight soon.
So the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all of your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.